Hey there, and welcome to Desi Investing, a channel dedicated to investing in the Indian context. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the filters that I use for picking a stock on which we can sell a call option. Here are some of the basic filters that I look for while picking a stock for selling a call. The first is RSI. I've done a video on RSI in case you would like to see that first. RSI has to be higher than 70 for sure and preferably close to 80. This indicates that the stock has been driven by market sentiments and has been highly overbought. It is likely to correct itself to lower levels from here. The second is a 52-week high or low. The stock should have made a new 52-week high. Of course, we need to check why it was so. It could be due to very good results or some impending news, since if it is rallying, it is likely to continue to rally for some time. The next that we check is news in the past. We need to check whether there was an earnings call or a quarterly report in the previous week due to which the stock rose to new levels. In general, the stock rises before the news and kind of flattens out after the news. The next that we check is news in the future. Check whether there are scheduled earnings reports or quarterly annual reports etc. in the future. Don't sell a call during this time. You could be right, but if you're wrong, you will lose badly and it is highly risky to sell at a volatile time like this. The fifth filter that we use is to check the movement of the stock in the last week. If the stock has moved a lot, say 20% or so, it is unlikely to rally much more than that in the next month and might actually fall a few percentage points or stay flat in the next month. This gives us a good chance of profit. So what are we trying here? If you're selling a call, then it's going to be profitable only if the stock does not rise beyond your strike price. So we're checking mainly if the stock has already risen a lot so that it doesn't rise further. RSI, 52-week high, etc. are indicators of these. Now, why should I check these filters and not blindly sell a call? Well, selling any option is risky and passing it through these filters kind of eliminates those risky stocks. And a stock which passes these filters is likely to have a relatively high premium on the strike price than what you choose. If a stock is flat, that means the volatility is low and the premium that you get is not going to be very high. So these filters increase your reward while lowering your risk. That's it. Straightforward and simple. You can check out other videos to see how to check RSI, how to check 52-week high and low, etc. So please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, please comment so that I can make the next videos accordingly. Thanks for watching.